DELMIA's body-in-white manufacturing solution for the transportation and mobility industry enables OEMs and suppliers to work together to ensure the quality of body-in-white manufacturing specifications. In today's global manufacturing environment, transportation and mobility suppliers are mandated to deliver body-in-white stations that meet the OEM production and part quality requirements. The body-in-white simulation engineer must ensure the proposed station meets the cycle time objectives while minimizing resource costs. DELMIA's body-in-white manufacturing solution delivers highly specialized tools to maximize resource utilization, validate tooling design, check robot reach for weld accessibility, and simulate the complete station process. The DELMIA Body-in-White Manufacturing Collaborative 3D experience delivers a competitive advantage to both OEMs and suppliers to define and validate the assembly stations with robots and tooling.